Plushie, get me my lube and my butt plug.
You have a butt plug?
No, I don't. Just the lube, please. What? Is that thing still on? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing here? You son of a bitch! I thought you weren't coming back! That's it! That does it! I've got a few things to say to you, mate! Die in an ocean of fire, you pitiable cunt! I'm sure you would like to suck my anus, you grungy shit! Run along and gargle a breaker of cock's milk, you son of a bitch! Every time I see a tramp take a huge dump in the alley, it reminds me of you! You have leprosy. Don't worry though, the news isn't all bad, you're going to die! Roll over in an ocean of anal pus, you pitiable son of a bitch! It would be more than alright if you would shut your fucking cry hole, you senseless barrel of dicks! I said that in case you were crying. I don't want you around here! Even your closest friends don't want you around here! Perchance it will be best for everyone if you throw yourself off the tallest building you can find! I have heard that they wish you would die! So die! Damn Glyson! Fucking hell! You know what? Fuck it! I'm coming for you! You are fucked! You have gone over the fucking edge! Fucking edge! Son of a bitch! Scared ya. Oh, you don't touch my face! Whoa! You son of a bitch! This is the part where I stand here and somehow drink power.
Get you! You son of a bitch!
Working scared ya.
I'm coming to get you!
Oh, hello, Sam Clydeson. You remember me, huh? Yeah, of course you do. You're the one that uploaded a fucking video of me masturbating to the internet. Seriously, what the fuck did you do that for? It was between you and me. You didn't have to put it on the fucking internet. Seriously, what the fuck did you... What the fuck? Oh, fucking... Seriously, I didn't fucking kill your son. It was just a joke. Oh, fuck.